G'day, my name is Lockie from Tent World Furniture Gully, and today I'm going to show you how to use a silver field compass to locate yourself on a topographical map and find where you need to go. So this is the silver field compass. This is the simplest compass available from them, but they do also sell their Ranger compass, which comes with the larger base plate, the magnifying lens and luminous markings for night use, and the silver expedition compass, which comes with an adjustable clinometer as well as a larger base plate again with added map scale measurements and an adjustable declination ring. So the first thing you're going to need to find yourself on a topographical map is a couple of landmarks you can see in front of you, which you can identify on your map. These are usually going to be the tops of mountains, but they could also be lakes or river junctions. You just need to be able to see them in front of you and also identify them on your map. Now we're in our car park at Furniture Gully here, but I've got a topographical map of the Victorian High Country, and I've set up a couple of mountain tops essentially so that we can locate ourselves based on their position. To get the bearing of your first landmark, hold your compass at waist height and then turn your body towards your landmark until the base plate of your compass is pointing directly at it. Then turn the turntable of your compass until your red north needle is inside the red orienteering marker in the middle of your compass. It's important at this point also to adjust for declination. Now, declination is the difference between true north, which your topographical map will be oriented towards, and magnetic north, which the needle in your compass will point towards. These are a little bit different, and so it's important to adjust to make sure you get a correct bearing. Where we are in Furniture Gully at the moment, our declination is about 10 degrees east. So using these declination markers in the middle of the compass, we're going to rotate the turntable of our compass a further 10 degrees east to get our correct orientation. You can usually find the declination for your topographical map on the top corner like this. Now, without moving the turntable in your compass, move it over to your map and align the vertical orienteering lines with the vertical grid markers on your map so that the edge of your compass is pointing at an angle. Then draw a line on your map along the edge of the base plate of your compass. Now, following the same process, get the bearing of your second landmark. Once again, lining up the vertical orienteering lines with the vertical grid marks of your map, draw your second line and where these two lines intersect, that's where we are. So now we've found where we are on the map and we want to figure out how to get where we want to go. Let's say we want to go to the end of Shanty Hollow Road here. What we do, mark our destination, grab our compass again, using the same line, line up the direction we want to head in, and then rotate the base plate of our compass until the vertical orienteering lines within the turntable once again line up with the vertical grid lines on our map. So now we've got our bearing. Again, without moving the turntable of your compass, take it from your map, hold it at waist height and rotate your body until the red north needle is once again inside the orientation marker on your compass, or until, as Silver says it, red is in the shed. So we're going to rotate our body until red is in the shed and we found the way we need to go. So that's how you use a compass to locate yourself on a topographical map and find the direction that you need to head in. You can pick up any of these silver compasses in store at our Tent World stores or online at tentworld.com.au.